Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we got something. We have a brand new 2020 MacBook Air M1 model. This is not mine. This is for a friend. They asked me to get it for them and set it up. So we're going to be doing an unboxing today and setting up this little computer. It's supposed to be a super dyno whopper little machine. It's got 8 gigs of unified memory, 256 gig SSD, 13-inch screen. Everything here that you need. We're going to unbox it and look at it. Wish it was mine, but it's not. Specs on this one are 8 gigs, 256, but it's got 7 GPU cores. It's the base model. This is the cheapest one you get. I think it was like $981 on Amazon. Trusty knife, thanks Ryan Burnett. We'll go ahead and do the unboxing here. There's 1,001 videos out there of this little computer. You know, benchmarks and reviews. The majority of them are good, some of them are not. I hadn't understood the ones that are not yet, but I'll link a few of them down there in the description. You know, my wife has a MacBook Air that's a 2011 model still running. They just make dang good computers. I wish we could run the software at work. We don't instead of having to run Windows. But golly, the box is in there good. There we go. Nothing inside. And here's the standard space gray MacBook experience. Here's the MacBook. Traditional Apple wrapping. Comes with a Usbc charging cable, coiled up. In here we have the usual quick start guide, regulatory stuff, and some silver, space gray silver stickers. And then there's I guess that's it. Now that's it. You know, used to years ago, all these things would come with disc and a whole bunch of stuff, and they don't come hardly anything anymore. Okay, here is the Usbc charger. Can't remember how many watts this one is. 30 watts. I need to get one of these for my iPad. I need to get a 30-watt charger because it'll take it. So, but yeah, one USB-C is all it's got. So, all right, let's unwrap the computer. Yeah, honestly, I wish this was mine, but bought an iPad. So, and this is the little computer. It does not have a fan. You know, it's like an iPad that doesn't have a fan, and the performance is supposed to be very impressive. Did y'all hear that? There's the old Apple chime. Big glass trackpad. Let me get you back down here. That thing booted up really fast. Big glass trackpad. They have the best trackpads and the best keyboards of any computer. We'll go ahead and go through some setup on it. All right, starts out, I'll zoom in on these accessibility. I won't do it now. Let me go offline here and put the Wi-Fi in, because I'll need my Wi-Fi to get it all set up. Okay, we're back. So we're going to use iCloud Keychain. And this is just a series of, do I want to share analytics with the developers? Since I'm a software developer, yeah, let's go and do that, because you never can tell when things are going to crash. So app limits, weekly reports and stuff, this person doesn't need that, so we'll set that up later. Siri, yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. We'll set that up later with their voice. Click the right place. I don't want to share audio recordings. Yeah, we'll turn on file encryption. We'll do that. This computer does have Touch ID. We'll do that later. This person has it on their phone, so we'll do that later. We will not do Apple Pay. Oh shoot, I meant to set up later. There we go. We'll do the automatic on the look. Hit continue. We'll do the True Tone display because it really does look good. Under all different light, it looks good. I think that's my own opinion. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say it that way, but that's my opinion. And the Mac is set up. It took all of 5 minutes to do this. A Windows machine would have took forever, because I do it all the time. This computer comes preloaded with a whole bunch of stuff. And it's all good stuff. It's not bloatware like you would see on a Windows machine. So I'm gonna blur out the serial number, but we do have the M1 chip, 8 gigs of unified memory. Unified memory means that the memory is on the chip itself. It's not an actual DIMM that you can take in or out. And the M1 chip is so good that it will it handles memory a whole lot better. It's just like my iPad. It handles memory really well. The battery life on this laptop is supposed to be ridiculous. So it came with 78%. It probably had 80% when it was here or in the box. But so let's look at the outside of it. So we talked about the trackpad. The keyboard is just fantastic. Shortcut keys like it should be. Touch ID. Speakers on top, not on the bottom. Dell. We have a 3.5 millimeter audio jack on this side. Got 2 USB 4, I think they're USB 4 connectors. A lot of people complain about the bezels on this, but it works really good. The webcam is still the 720p webcam, but with this processor it works better. We'll go ahead and fire it up. With this light up above me, it doesn't look all that great, but it's not bad. You can see the GoPro right here. I thought I'd film this with the GoPro, so. But yeah, all in all, you know, it's a lightweight. Heck, it probably weighs less than the iPad. I don't know. I'd have to look up the specs on it. But anyway, this is just a quick unboxing and setup of the M1 MacBook Air. Neat little computer. And it should last a really long time. Anyway, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button, hit that little bell to be notified, and I think we're at 436 subscribers, and I appreciate every one of you. And share it on social media. If you get on social media, it's kind of a lost cause here lately, but hopefully this will help you out and make up your mind if you want to get a MacBook. I've always really liked them, and they've always been good computers. But anyway, you guys have a great day, great weekend, and until the next video, thanks for watching.